Okay. So we have successfully have my inbound delivery in the EWM system. Okay. I have my inbound delivery in the EWM system. BNWH. My inbound delivery is 651. Okay. My inbound delivery is 651. Now, can you tell me like it's in error or else it's in can I go ahead with processing?
It's in error.
It's an error. How to find the error? So before going to error part, can you see here in the item level if I go to form view, just I want to observe you few more things here along with this item type and these things. There is something called owner, party entity to dispose and stock type. What is this three came? What is this three guys and from where this three came into picture? What is this three?
After
Stock type,
disposal,
party entity to dispose. Okay, still owner. From where this came into picture here? How this came here? Very
this
important.
from the ERP document or
No, no, not from the ERP document.
from the vendor.
No, there is some link between the ERP document, but still it's totally managed by EWM system here. Totally managed by EWM here. F1 stock type. How system knows F1? There are lot of how system knows F1. It is now you should tell me.
This availability group.
Availability group. Where did you maintain availability group? How exactly you maintain availability group?
So with the EWM warehouse and the ERP store location, we have maintained the conflict.
Exactly, exactly. So we maintain, if you remember correctly, in the interfaces, we maintain mapping. Respect to plant and store location, we map it to triple double zero one and which store location we mapped guys for double zero one
ROD.
ROD
ROD.
and we mapped AFS to which availability group
002.
002. Now you understand now? Still yet to teach lot of things here. Now in the ECC inbound delivery, respect to PO or inbound delivery, you maintain store location what? ROD. Now in the EWM, ROD is linked to which availability group guys?
F1.
001 availability group. This
Mm.
availability group is linked to 001 availability group linked to which stock type? Still the configuration I didn't told you, but you can see the configuration here. 001 is linked to which stock type? F1 stock type.
F1.
You understand the logic? Now from storage location, system found availability group. From availability group, system found stock type. And how this owner came into picture, guys?
Ram,
Owner and
what is availability group exactly?
availability group will help you to find the right stock type.
Okay. That
Or else
we
I
will
can say
define or
availability group will tell you what kind of stock that you can store in that respective location, respective storage type.
okay. Who
Availability
will
group is like
configure
a
that
bridge
available?
between, it's like a bridge normally to find the stock type. What kind of stock you can store in that storage.
Who configure that availability group?
We will configure it. We only responsible for configuring from now on. From now on, whatever
Okay.
I tell is responsibility of ours.
Okay.
Okay. This one came into picture because this one we cannot control now. We can define the configuration. I can show you. No problem. It's easy configuration, not complex one. Now,
But
this owner
it is
and
always
yes,
standard. Right?
yes, yes, sorry.
Availability groups, whatever they given by SAP, you have to use the same thing. Right? We no need to
No,
do
no,
that.
no. You can have your own stock type also. There is no problem.
And availability group,
We can have your own. Availability group
oh,
also
no,
we
yeah.
can have our own. And stock
Okay.
type also we can have our own things. No, no problem at all. Okay. And owner and party entity to dispose. From where this came into picture, guys?
This is based on the BP, right? Or like, yeah, this is
PP.
BP, business partner.
But
Based
from how this came into picture here? This is not a vendor, right? What is this one actually?
Plant vendor.
This is a plant vendor, right?
plant.
This is a plant vendor, right? EWM is what? It's a plant vendor, right? Plant vendor means what? Respect to plant. Means who is the owner of the stock that you are receiving here? Who is the owner of the stock? The stock you are receiving, this product you are receiving 50 pieces. Who is the owner of the stock? This one. He is the owner of the stock now. When you receive, he will be the owner of the stock now. Okay. Now
But
this
this
stock.
also we need to configure or it will automatically come?
No, you are already defining it in the port master, right? In the material master, you extended this material to which location in this case? I'll go here, copy the material number, go
Mhm.
to /o/SEWM/mat1.
Yeah.
In this one, this material, can you see party entitled to dispose? Where you maintain here?
Okay.
A0098, right?
Mm. Okay.
What is this one first of all? A0098. I'll go to BP here, A0098 slash and BP,
Mm.
A0098. If I go,
Mm. Hold on. Yeah.
you'll see the plant number normally. Can you see?
Yes.
Now, also, can you see here SPRO, implementation guide, master data,
Ma-
warehouse management, master data, assign warehouse numbers. For B&WH warehouse, what you maintain here?
Okay.
Custodian and pertain will
Custodian.
dispose. For my
Custodian.
warehouse, this is my plant supply chain unit. This is my owner of the stock, and this is my
Mm.
owner of the warehouse. Right?
Mm. Okay.
Got it? Clear?
Mm. Yeah.
The logic comes from there actually. Up to here is fine. Now we need to know why this error causing. Okay, what is this one blocked? Red. Select this line item. Click on this check mark, guys. Click on this check mark. You will get to know what is the error. What is error, guys? Here the error is goods movement
Oops.
bin not determined or entered. Means what? System is not able to find goods movement bin here. Means where exactly stock need to be unloaded. System need to understand where exactly the stock need to be unloaded here. Can you see this one here? Goods
So,
movement bin. System is not able to find the goods movement bin here. But system before going to goods movement bin, system need to find here WPT. What is WPT, guys? Warehouse process type. We'll come to this topic. Very important topic. Next class will be the WPT part only. Full WPT part only. It is for 1 hour of class. This WPT explains you what type of movement. It is same like a movement type in ECC, guys. What is movement type in ECC, guys? What exactly it will explain you? Movement type in ECC?
it's like based on the what kind of like a stock, right? Like
Mhm.
restricted, unrestricted, block stock,
No,
right?
no, no, no. Movement type, I'm telling you. What movement type
Momentum.
tells you? Movement type, not stock type. Movement type. Movement type explains you movement, what type
Mm-hmm.
of movement you are receiving the goods. What type of goods you are receiving actually, I can say. Let's take two examples. You are receiving goods from supplier. You are receiving a normal goods from supplier, and you are receiving supplier customer returns from customer.
Mm.
Two type of
Oh,
inbounds, guys. Two type of inbounds. One is what?
mm.
Vendor inbound.
Uh-huh.
One is vendor inbound.
Mm-hmm.
What vendor inbound? What he will deliver first of all? Vendor inbound means
Goods, raw materials.
raw materials.
Like movement type, like a raw material,
Yes,
semi-finished
exactly.
methods,
Semi-finished
goods.
or raw materials you will deliver. Now, customer
Okay.
returns. In this case, vendor inbound means what kind of delivery it will create now here? Vendor inbound means delivery. Which delivery it will create?
Input, input delivery.
Inbound.
Inbound
Inbound.
delivery.
Yeah.
It will be inbound delivery. And
Mhm.
now comes to the next part. Customer returns. Customer returns will
Outbound.
get which inbound, which delivery guys here?
Outbound.
Outbound. Customer returns.
Huh? Yeah. Inbound.
Return delivery.
Just think, customer returns. Our customer is returning the goods to us. We send some goods to our customer. He
Mhm.
didn't like the goods. The quality of the goods are not good. He's sending
Yeah.
back the goods to us, right? Now, which
Yeah.
delivery it create system?
Return delivery.
Inbound
Goods
delivery.
inbound. Again.
Inbound delivery for what materials here?
Finished material.
For finished goods. Now, in
Yeah.
this case, the movement type will be same or different here?
Same.
Same? Seriously?
No, no, no.
Inbound
Delivery
method.
type is
Even delivery type also, it's same or different delivery type?
Return delivery.
different.
Right?
It will be different.
Yeah.
Clear guys, it will be different. Both are different. This is vendor inbound, this is customer inbound, customer returns I can say. Both will create inbound delivery in ERP system and both will create inbound delivery in the EWM system. And here also we will receive raw materials and here also we will receive finished goods to our warehouse. But what difference it
Mhm.
makes? Lot of difference it makes here. When you create vendor inbound, what is the reference guys for you here to create vendor inbound? PO, right?
PO.
But what is
Yeah.
the reference here to create customer inbound, customer returns?
Sales order.
Some sales returns, I can say.
Yeah.
Sales returns. Sales with respect to sales order, they'll create a return delivery. Based on the return delivery, the customer will create inbound delivery. Inbound
Mm.
delivery will receive the finished goods. Now we have some mapping between the document types here, between the sales order and the between the inbound delivery. If you are creating inbound delivery from sales order, example, okay, the document type is in this case, what is the document type is LF, right? LF is the document type. In this case, the document type will be customer, right? Customer means CS. We'll create CS document type, CF I can say. Okay. L refers to vendor, C refers to customer. So when you're receiving the goods from vendor, it will be LF. When you're receiving the goods from customer, it will be CF. So between CF, what document type will map in the EWM? Different document type normally. This is PDA A and B. Okay, and this will
Yeah.
be, I can say like customer returns. Okay, customer returns CRN INB or else INB not GNB. GNB. Now in this case, movement type. What about movement type guys here? Which movement type it will trigger here?
Honor
Which
one.
Okay.
movement type?
It's a phone. No, no, no. That is top type.
Movement type.
101.
101 movement type
101.
it will trigger because you are receiving the goods from the vendor. System is telling you are receiving the goods from vendor. So this is the movement type. Now, if you are receiving the goods from customer, what it will be the movement type here?
10.
I can say like I'll keep like 103.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I'll customize this to keep it in 103. It will go to GR validated stock. From there, it will move to quality stock. Okay, RS I'll 131. Okay, I'll keep it like 131. Returns. Or 161.
It's up to us, right?
It's up to
Maintain.
us to customize the movement type here. Which movement type we would like to configure. Like a 161, I'll keep like means now in this case in the EWM system. In the EWM system also, we have movement types. We don't use same movement types in ECC and EWM, okay? Here we use different movement types. In the EWM, we use different movement types. Movement types means in the EWM is WPT. This is called as WPT, warehouse process type. This is same like a movement type in ECC, guys. That's it. We have a lot of movement types here, they're available here, okay? There are only two here, but let me open the path to show you. Go to warehouse management, go to cross-power settings, go to warehouse task, Here you can see define warehouse process type.
Process.
Warehouse
Normally.
process type normally. Okay. In my
Okay.
BNWH, if you see there are only few are there because I is a new warehouse, right? But try to observe from here. Okay. Can you see here for other warehouses? Like I will take one of the warehouse like below BMRH, BRWH I will take. Okay. Can you see BRWH from here? A lot of me are here. Can you see? Put away. Put away, put away with storage process, put away with vast storage process, put away to production supply. Can you see? Only for put away, I have only for put away. What is put away, guys? What is put away? Keeping the stock in
Bin.
Pal.
We keep
destination
the stock in
bin.
bin.
Keeping
Yeah.
the stock in the destination bin, I can say this is called as put away. Only for put away, I have 5 WPTs. Why I have 5 WPTs for only for put away, guys? Can you see? Why I have 5 WPTs?
Mhm.
Why I have 5 WPTs?
Mm.
Based on
Why?
the process, like we are putting it in the stock or to the production area.
There are different ways of put away, I can say. There are 5 different ways of put away. When I have 5 different ways of put away, system we will configure 5 different kind of WPTs normally. So this WPT is only for the direct put away. This WPT is for put away with storage process. Means what? System will first go to some deconsolidation area where they will do repacking everything, and from there they will do the put away. And same thing, put away distribute to. And 1013 is also same thing, put away with VAS storage process. VAS means value added services. Before doing
Mm.
put away, they will change the labels. Entirely, they will remove the labels. They will create their own labels, something like that, and they will move to the destination location. And this one, see, put away to production supply means what? I am receiving the goods from production supply means PSA area means after producing the goods. Once the goods got produced, I am receiving the goods from the production supply area. Got the point? Means different kind of put away, right? You understand the point?
Yeah.
Suppose now customer I am returning the goods. I am receiving the goods from customer returns. In my example previously I told I am receiving the goods from where, guys?
Customer return.
Customer returns, right? In this case for customer returns, can I have new WPT, guys?
Yep.
Yes, why? What is the requirement?
So that's a
What is the
different
requirement?
process. That's a different process.
It's a different process because for customer returns, what are the goods you receive? First, you need to keep those goods in the quality area because something is wrong, right? You need to keep that goods in the quality area. From there, you need to see what you should take action now. Whether you need to scrap the material or else you need to again put away in the destination location. You need to know the process right now. You have different process, right? You cannot follow this
Yeah.
process. You cannot follow direct put away, right? For the customer returns one, you need to move to the quality area. From there, quality area, you need to move to the destination location, right? Got the point? So you need to have new WPT at the time. Is it clear or not for you? Guys, is it clear or not for you?
Yeah.
Clear? Any other doubts you have? Just see here. Stock removal in new WPT. Withdrawal. Can you see? If you want to remove the stock also, I have three WPTs 2010, 2020, and 2100. Means, can you see? This is just like direct stock removal. So, this is called removal with two-step picking. Means, there are two persons available. One person will go up and he will pick the box and he'll come down. He'll hand over to the different person. That person is to only go up, pick the box, come down, give it to the respective person who will move to the different location. Two-step picking. This removal is for what? Only one person will be there. He'll go and pick the box from the top and he'll go to the loading area to hand over to the respective persons to load the goods to the truck. Stock removal for production supply. Stock removal for production supply means they need to remove the stock. They need to use, they want to pick the stock for production. where raw materials available in storage, the operator will go and he'll pick the stock. In this case, pick the stock for whom? Customer. In this case,
So
he's picking the stock for customer. In this case also, he's picking the stock to customer. But in this case, he's picking the stock to customer
it's putting away,
Production.
right?
for production.
Whatever.
He's picking the stock for production actually. Got it? So like this, there are a lot of functionalities in EWM, like inbound functionality, outbound functionality, replenishment functionality, transfer functionality. Okay, like this, we have a lot of functionalities in EWM. For all the functionalities, we should define WPTs normally, which is called as warehouse process types. Clear? Now,
Basically,
just
we
want
will
to
have
show
a map.
you. Sorry.
So we would be having a mapping for the in the S4 and the moment type versus
No,
WPT.
no, no mapping required. Okay, we don't have any dependency with mapping actually here. We don't have any dependency with mapping. So just what I want these WPTs at my storage type level. Okay, I want these WPTs at my storage. Sorry, so warehouse level. Sorry. I want these WPTs at my warehouse level. Means nothing is available in my warehouse. Just I'll copy. These are standard WPTs. Okay, SAP has given these WPTs, and just I'm extending it to my warehouse. BMWH. BMWH. Give me a second. BMWH. Okay, just I'm copy pasting all my warehouse. Okay, replacing with my warehouse. Okay. Okay. I just copied my, for the different warehouse, all the WPTs to my warehouse. Okay. All putaways, everything we will discuss again. Okay, no problem. Just we are touching the basic spot now. That's it. Now I define my various process types. Now I should determine now from where my various process type should trigger normally. Just I created the various process type, but I should tell to system that it need to come to where normally. Now we need to go to determine guys here. Determine various process type. Determine warehouse process type. Now, can you tell me, guys, what is my warehouse? My warehouse is BMWH. In BMWH, nothing is there, no entries. Go to new entries. My warehouse is BMWH. My document type. What is my document type, guys, here?
PDA.
PDA INB. Now,
Yeah.
item type I'm giving blank. There is no problem. And WPT. Which WPT I want to trigger for PDA INB?
101.
1010 I want to trigger. Okay, going further I will show you different WPTs, but now 1010 I will show you. And here you can select item type also, there is no problem. Which item type I will select now here?
DLV, ILDV.
IDLV.
Yes.
Okay, IDLV. Save it, guys. Now, whenever in my BNWH warehouse, I found any document type, any inbound delivery with respect to INB, okay, INB, PD, INB, IDLV. In this case, PDA INB. This one system will search for this one PDA INB, and item type is IDLV. System automatically finds 1010 WPT. If you want to know just this one, what I will do, I'll open this one. I'll create a new delivery now for 50 pieces. Copy the purchase order document number and go to VL31N, guys. Go to VL31N. I'm creating inbound delivery for 50 quantity again. Again, I'm creating. Save it, guys. Inbound delivery was created and distributed to WMS system 20655. Now go to ACWM PRDI 20655. 20655. Okay. Now my inbound delivery was created. Now can you see WPT, guys, here? It will trigger or not? Can you see what was there here, guys? System trigger my WPT or not now here?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what is the error, guys, here? Storage bin GR zone does not exist in warehouse number BMWH. Can you see?
Yeah.
In my WPT, I'll go to the configuration again, guys. Go back. Go to define warehouse process type again. Now go to your WPT. In BMWH, go to your WPT 1010 WPT. Here, can you see here what is there, guys? Inside of WPT, what is there here? This
Yeah.
WPT is using it for what, guys?
So,
The WPT warehouse process category. It explains you this WPT you're using it for what? Put away,
okay.
stock removal, position change, or internal warehouse movement. I'll tell you about position change. Put away means when you receive the stock from any of the case, vendor, customer, whatever it may be, you will put away in the warehouse, in the destination location. Stock removal, whenever there is a requirement to send the goods to customer as a different plant or different person, you need to use for the removal purpose. Stock should be removal from the respective warehouse. Internal warehouse movement, whenever there is a requirement for internally moving the goods one storage type to other storage type, other storage type to this storage type, internally you are moving the goods due to space allocations, that is called as internal warehouse movement. Posting change means whenever you found some issues with respect to box or pallet, okay, this box is leaking, what you will do? You'll block this box, right? Not to use for a different person, right? You will not just keep like that, right? Because you see the leaking, but I cannot see the leaking because everyone have their own perspective. What will happen in this case? System will assign, right? Even though it is leaking, system don't know it is leaking. System will assign this to some kind of production. Now whole thing will be damaged, right? Now in this case, portion change means whatever the box is damaged, I'm changing the stock type now. Stock type from the quality, like it will be F2 normally, I'm changing it to Q4, or else a different stock type like B6. Block, I'm blocking the respect to handling unit for usage, any usage it will be blocked. So this is the purpose it is explaining. We'll go with respect to all the fields, don't worry. Now concentrate on this one, guys. Source storage type and source bin here. Source storage type and source bin here. If you observe carefully here, I am using 9010 source storage type, means whenever I receive the goods, system need to receive the goods to this storage type and this bin, GR zone bin. By default, I am delivering that whenever system use this WPT, automatically system need to use this GR zone to unload the goods. I'm giving it in the WPT level. Warehouse process type level, I'm giving this setting so that system will trigger this in the inbound delivery, guys. Now what I will do for this to resolve the error, what I will do, guys?
Create a bin.
I'll create a bin slash and slash SEWM slash LS01. I'll go here. I'll create a bin, this one, ZR zone bin in which storage type, guys? 9010.
10.
This storage type, I'll create this bin. Save it, guys. Now go to inbound delivery. Just try to refresh the inbound delivery before you process. Now try to click and check again. Can you see, guys? The red became green now. The red has become green now.
Here
Here,
the question is like in
mhm.
the document was 5.1 was there, right? So the old one we don't refer.
The old one,
Or like a 188020651 was there, right? First in
651. Okay, let's go to 651. Wait. Let's go to 651. Now
yeah.
here, I go to change mode.
Uh-huh. Already logged
Open by
in.
document, where I'm logging. Yes, I'm logging it here. I'll go to change mode here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I will, what I'll do, this. Okay, 651 is there. I'll go to this change mode. Why it is there in logged? The tables are not updating correctly. Okay, that's the reason it is showing you like that. No problem.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. Let's see.
Go to form view.
Mm.
Here, if you see
Mm.
WPT.
Yeah.
So what you will do here, once you create everything,
Mm.
maintain directly here, okay, and enter. Staging area also came from the WPT. Now you can save it. Clear?
Mm.
Now this is my old delivery, which I maintain it manually, and I have my new delivery also, which trigger automatically based on the configuration. Now what I will do, guys? Once I click on GR, what will happen now? For now, I will do all directly, but going further, I will do unloading everything I will do. Now, what will happen in this case? Once I receive delivery to EWM system, what will happen now exactly?
Mm. Oops.
You receive the goods, right?
Yeah.
You are receiving the goods. Now, I'll click on GR, guys. I click on GR. I am receiving the goods now. Okay, give me a second. Number in this was not maintained. Give me 1 second. For now, what we will do, go to SPRO, implementation guide. Go to warehouse management, go to master data. Here go to define number ranges. And I'm telling you, you should not do this in the real time. In the real time, you need to use SNRO T code. Every system. You should not do
SNR?
configure SNRO.
SNR.
Okay.
Okay.
Very important part. If you do this thing in the configuration, gone case. Never touch this in the configuration part. This will
Only
be like
member
every
system,
system,
right?
like development system, quality system, production system. You need to go to system by system now. And you need to go to transaction SNRO. Okay, you need to go to transaction slash N SNRO. And you need to
Mm-hmm.
give the object. Which object in this case? In this case, I'm getting error for this object. Go to, okay, close this one.
SNR.
SNRO. It is a cutover activity normally. Okay. Whatever I am doing is a cutover part. Cutover part always you should do in the system by system. Object is SEWMTO. If you see,
Hmm.
object is SEWMTO backslash SEWM slash TO. Now click on this one numbers. Which warehouse you would like to maintain?
And WH
BMWH. And you want to modify, right? Click on
interval.
modify. Number range I am giving like here. Which number range? 01. Okay. If you see here, 01. Interval 01. Interval 01. From number I will be giving like from 1000 to somewhere around 9999.
Yeah.
Okay. Save it, guys. Like this, you need to give in the real time. Real time, the numbers will be defined by company. You don't choose your own numbers. But the process, you will define the same process. I'll go to SNRO, give the object, and maintain the number ranges by system. Don't do any transport. Now
But in
click
FS, it will maintain, right? What number range we are going to be.
on. See, in this case, I'll tell you it. Okay. There are one more logic is there now. Go to define number ranges here. Okay. Can you see? In the configuration, can you see define number ranges?
Yes.
Go to warehouse management, go to master data. In master data, can you see here? Define number ranges.
Yes.
And you can see whatever you define like now SEWMTO, it's part of this one actually.
Mm-hmm.
And we have a lot of number ranges to define here if you see. And once you
Yeah.
define all number ranges here, there is one more thing. Can you see? Assign number ranges to the warehouse number.
Mm.
Now I'll go to BMWH. I'll go to BMWH. Can you see for warehouse task what is there here?
0,
What I define here for
0,
SNR
1.
01 only. From where it is taking now?
Yes.
What I will do to understand you more, I'll remove. I'll go to SNRO. I will remove this one. Okay. I'm deleting this part. Okay. But I mean I'm deleting it. Okay. I'll go to inbound delivery now. This inbound delivery I will do GR. Okay. I'll
Mm.
do GR. Now system is telling me interval 01 for
Yeah.
BMWH does not exist. How system has
Mm.
knows interval 01 guys here? How system
Based
knows
on
interval
assign,
01?
based on that assignment settings for warehouse
Based on
we
the
have
assignment
01.
of this one, okay. Can you see? For BMWH, can you see? For warehouse task, system is trying to create a warehouse task now, okay, and warehouse document. Can you see? Zero
Mm.
one. System is trying to find 01 here.
Mm.
01, 01. You can have your own one, but here they maintain 01, 01, 01, okay. But normally, what I will do, I'll go back. I'll take. Can I continue class for 10 more minutes, or else can I continue in the next class?
No, you can continue.
Okay, I'll define this one, okay, to understand you more. Define number ranges for warehouse task and warehouse documents. I create like BMWH now. Click on
Mm.
intervals. Nothing was defined. I'm creating it, okay.
Mm.
Okay, number range is locked put somewhere. Yeah. Okay. Here I'm creating like a warehouse task, okay. So in this case, I'm creating like WT. Okay, WT. Before that, what I will do, I will just to understand you. Assign number ranges, okay. I'll go to BMWH warehouse. BMWH warehouse. I will remove. Okay, in this I'll keep like WT warehouse task. WD WD wave management. Okay, WV wave means WV, and warehouse order means WO. Just I'm keeping the last numbers. Okay, and the next one is VAS. I'm keeping like a VA, and this one labor. Okay, indirect labor task. Physical inventory documents. Okay, like PA. Can you say I define number in just like this? Okay, my objects, not objects, but this one. Okay, Now I'm doing a GR in my delivery. Now this will replace now. Interval 0 will come with different one. Can you see here? Click on GR now.
Yeah.
Uh, wait. It's not getting changed automatically. BMWH. This is not taking the new one. What I will do? Two zero six five six. 20656. I'll click on GR now. Can you see, guys?
Yes.
Interval WD it is showing now. Interval WD. What interval WD means, guys? This one, can you see?
Yeah.
WD. Whereas document is trying to create WD. This is it is trying to create now WD. Now this WD is there available or not? Number ranges. No, it's not available, right?
Yes.
Now what we will do here, I'll define my number ranges here. Can you see warehouse task by warehouse documents? Now BMWH intervals. My first one is WT. WT from number range I'm giving like 1000. Two number range is like 9999. Or else okay. Okay, no problem. 9999. And one more thing, WD also, right? Both I should define here only. WT and WD. In this case, I will take like 10,000 I will take. Okay, 19,999. Save it, guys. WD is completed. I define number ranges. Now, wave management. Warehouse number is BMWH.
Mm.
Intervals. I should define for wave management number ranges. WV. I have taken WV. And from number ranges
20,000.
20,000. Sorry. 20,000 to 29,999. Again, warehouse order, guys. This is where I will tell you about all this. What is warehouse order, warehouse task, everything and all. But define number ranges for now. WO. I will take like 30,000. 30,000 to 39,999. Consolidation group. In this case, consolidation group. I'll take like CG. Consolidation group. Okay. 40,000 to 49,999. VAS orders.
Yeah.
VA. VA 50,000 to 59,999. Indirect labor task. I'll take like IL. IL 60,000 to 69,999. Fiscal inventory documents. My warehouse number is BMWH. Intervals. Number range is PI. And year is 2025 this year. And from a number range is 70,000 to 79,999. Clear? Now you need to see here in the last whether did you assign the right things to the warehouse number or not. BNWH warehouse, you need to ensure that for warehouse task, you assign the warehouse task. Warehouse documents, you assigned WD. Wave, you assigned WV. Warehouse order, you assigned warehouse order. VAS, you assigned VA. Indirect labor task, you assigned labor IL only, right? And labor task. Yeah, I think IL only. PA documents, you assigned PA documents. Okay. Now, I will try to do a GR now. I will try to do a GR. Just refresh the delivery. Click on this one. Click on GR, guys. Can you see, guys, here what happened now?
Completed.
GR is completed.
Yeah.
Okay, means I received the goods. How much of goods you received? 50 quantity
50.
you received. Only received. Received to where, guys, now?
Storage location.
Which is no received in, you are in
GR zone.
EWM. You are in EWM.
GR zone.
Yes.
Received to GR zone. How to see
Yeah.
received to where location? Click on this one. Click on display warehouse task. You will not see any warehouse task. But what I will do, I'll go to monitor. Slash o slash SEWM slash mon. Go to monitor screen. You know monitor, right?
Yes.
Go to monitor. Go to BMWH warehouse. Open SAP.
Hmm.
In BMWH warehouse, go to stock and bin. In stock and bin, go to physical stock. Just execute blank, guys. Now, can you tell me how much stock available in where?
Yeah,
How
50
much of
stock.
stock?
1, 2.
50
Can
Yeah,
you see?
GR
This
zone.
product, 50 pieces, is available
Hmm.
in GR zone. Stock type is
Hmm.
what? F1 stock type. Who is the owner of the stock, guys? Who is this owner
Eight
of 50
double zero.
pieces?
Yeah,
This
this is a
is the
double
owner of the stock. And when
hmm.
did you receive this product to the warehouse?
Date.
1505 at 8:23. Very important date and times.
Hmm.
How
Hmm.
much quantity? 50 quantity. This stock belongs to which inbound delivery? This inbound delivery. Can you see?
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
this stock came from this inbound delivery, and all the information is showing here. Still stock
Hmm.
type is only F1 only, not F2.
Yeah.
Still means
Yeah.
because still it's in GR zone only. Still you didn't receive to destination location. Still it's in GR zone only. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, last thing, your inbound delivery status. What will happen to your inbound delivery, guys? What will happen to your inbound delivery now in here? If you see the EWM inbound delivery, whenever you read a GR, automatically system is triggering on PPF. Can you see? Send
Yeah.
ERP delivery messages. Send ERP delivery messages means whenever you do some actions here, system will try to trigger one message here like a PPF action here. A trigger is triggering in the inbound delivery, and it is updating the information to ECC or ERP system. What information is updating, guys? Go to inbound delivery here. Go to inbound
gotcha.
delivery here. VL33N. VL33N. Your inbound delivery. Just check, okay, here. Goods movement data. What happened to your goods movement? See, it is A. A means what, guys? A means what?
Uh, Relevant. Non
No,
F.
no. A. Not
Oh.
yet processed. Means still GR is not updated in the ECC. Something is wrong. Where to check?
You,
Q.
Hmm?
Q.
SMQ2. SM,
Essentially.
SMQ2. Execute. Enter ERP document number. Can you see? Key is there now.
Hmm. Yeah.
Now just see what is the error. The current application has intentionally triggered. This is some technical error. What you do, select this one and click on execute. Let's see it will process or not. No. Okay, this is some technical error. We need to see. Okay, what is the technical error? Give me a second. If this information, if this queue is passed, what will happen? It will update back information to ECC like GR is completed in the EWM, something like that. Okay. Go to SC16N, input the table TRFCQ. This is just to check the table level, what is happening like that. It will not do anything. Just checking. TRFCQN is table for queues. I'll go to the queue. I'll just to see the queue. What is happening to the queue? The current application has intentionally triggered a termination. So there is some issues with respect to the technical issues. Okay, we should resolve the issues before the next class. I'll see what is the issue, technical issue, and I'll see to resolve the issue. This one means it is trying to update, but somewhere it is failing. Actually, the information is getting failing. So we need to analyze. So you also will analyze, but later part you will analyze. Okay, means after 1 month I will show you all the step by step process. You can analyze it. Now today's class is clear for you. The inbound delivery part is clear for you guys.
So basically, we're trying to put the stock in the staging area, right? That's what we did today.
Yes, today, yes, we received the inbound delivery, okay, and that was distributed to EWM system, and whatever the EWM system, the inbound delivery is there, we try to keep the stock in the GR zone.
And Rama, just one question. See, accidentally I deleted the inbound delivery which I got the
Mhm.
inbound delivery. So
Mhm.
is there how I can recall that same into EWM system for the same see if you enter PIRI, right? The to see the here accidentally I deleted actually to select and I deleted button it was deleted.
Mhm.
So how I can recall it?
Now, in this case, normally if you're deleted, system need to normally system will create automatically. In the EWM, we have a configuration. System will create a new inbound delivery here. If not, what you should do in the ECC,
Hmm.
uh, you need to create a new inbound delivery because this in deleting means you're not deleting directly from here. Okay, it will
Hmm.
reject the delivery normally. It will become zero quantity here.
Okay.
I'll go to items here. I'll go to different
Hmm.
inbound delivery. Wait, okay. I'll go to other inbound delivery.
Like a double five, you can
Six
enter
five
double
one.
five.
Okay, I'll go. Okay, here if you see
Hmm.
reject, what will happen if you delete? Normally it will become reject. Okay, else I'll show here. Delete this one. Okay, six five
Hmm.
one. Can you see?
Hmm.
Not possible. But only one thing is possible. It will reject. Okay, reject means
Okay.
by mistakenly I distributed this delivery to EWM system, but still I have some time. I don't
Hmm.
want to distribute now only, so I want to reject
Hmm.
this delivery. Something like
Hmm.
this. Reject you are doing here. Automatically,
Okay.
can you see? It got changed
Hmm.
here. It will become zero quantity. Can you see? It will become zero
Yeah.
quantity. Now I'll go to 651 in the ECC ERP
Hmm.
VL33N and let's see. Okay, what will happen? VL33N 651. Can you see?
Yeah.
It's updated the quantity. Can you see? Zero quantity it was
Okay.
updated. See, can you see?
This is
See.
a VL 39, 33N, right?
33N, the inbound
Yeah.
delivery.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is
Yeah.
updated without any issues.
Yeah. One more thing.
Mm-hmm.
When we order their inbound earlier was 1,000 quantity, right? But
Mm-hmm.
now we created the 50, right? For the
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, yes.
like what about 90/50? How like
That's
is
how
there?
it works, right? That's how supply chain management will works, right? You created PO for 1,000 quantity. Supplier will
Uh-huh.
send in partial quantities, right?
Okay.
Supplier don't have that much of stock with him. He will send, okay, in this month, I will send 5 times delivery. 250, 250, 250, or else 100 and remaining 115, like five,
It's
five
like a
quantities he will
schedule
send.
based, huh? We
Schedule
can say.
based, he will send, okay. Something like that. Normally, each PO will send only once, but
Uh-huh.
possibility is there that he will send multiple deliveries also, one for one PO.
Oh, got it.
In the morning, one truck he will send. In the evening, one truck he
Mhm.
will send. Sorry. Yeah,
Yeah.
like that he will send.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, clear, guys. So you are trying to understand the business process, and you are doing configuration, and you are doing testing also. All the things we are doing now, okay. But slowly we are doing, no problem. Okay, going further slowly we'll go bit fastly. Once we complete the basic setup, almost we completed the basic setup. We already came to the inbound. Going further, you will see lot of other activities, other different things you will see. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Next class we will see. Okay. Different WPTs we will see next class fully. Okay. With example we will see WPT. Okay. Just I explain WPT, but next class we will see with examples WPT, and also we will go through a different concept of availability group, everything. Okay. Okay.